Hi everyone, this is Kristen. If the coronavirus pandemic has you worried about the best and safest way to clean your iPhone, you aren't alone. Fortunately, Apple has issued new guidance on approved methods to disinfect your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about them and give you a demo on my iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. In order to proceed, no matter which cleaning method you're using, the initial steps are all the same. First, you're going to want to take off any case that you happen to have on your phone. Next, it's important that you power down your phone. You're also going to want to remove any charging cables or headphones or anything that happens to be attached to your phone and put that aside. If you're going to go with the alcohol wipes method, be sure to choose something that has at least 70% isopropyl alcohol like these Clorox wipes do. Open up the package, take out the wipe, and gently wipe your phone. Avoid getting any moisture in any openings. You can do both the front and the back of the phone, no issues there. But again, make sure that you don't get any moisture in any openings. I know this is supposed to be a waterproof phone, but still, don't do it. Then, once you've let it sit with the alcohol on it for a little bit, you can dry it with a soft cloth. Apple doesn't say how long to leave your phone wet with alcohol before drying it off. It seems like it should be a little bit of time, but you probably don't want to leave it on there too long either, or it will cause streaks. At any rate, I just leave it on for a little bit and then I dry it off with a soft cloth. If you're going to use Clorox Disinfecting Wipes instead of isopropyl alcohol wipes, you're going to do the same initial steps. You need to turn off your phone completely and unplug anything from your lightning port. Then you want to take a Clorox disinfecting wipe, or perhaps half of one, because honestly, an entire wipe is simply too much for a phone. And then you're going to want to wipe gently on the phone's surface. Avoid getting moisture in any openings. You can do the front and the back. And then you can dry it off with a microfiber cloth or with a tissue. Just be sure to use something soft. Paper towels can be too abrasive. Some questions that you might be wondering about are, what about your camera lenses? Is it okay to clean those with your isopropyl alcohol wipe or your Clorox disinfecting wipe? Well, answer is, I really don't know. And to tell you the truth, I have avoided cleaning those areas when I clean my phone. Typically, those are not going to be germy areas. I don't touch them. They are protected when they are in the case, and they're not something you get your fingers on. The things which you are touching are the things that you need to worry about germs getting on. I'm really not very concerned about my camera lenses, and so I've just been avoiding cleaning them. However, if you're going to follow Apple's guidance, they don't mention that you cannot clean the camera lenses, so my guess is you probably can, but I'm personally not going to do it because it kind of makes me nervous and I think it's not actually necessary. So far, we've only looked about how to clean your phone, but if you're a case user, then your phone case may be as contaminated or more contaminated than the phone itself. How do you clean your phone case? Well, I think the best thing to do is to reach out to the individual manufacturer of your phone case and check for sure. But looking online, as far as I can tell, if you've got something that is a plastic or a rubber phone case, every case manufacturer that I looked at said it was okay to clean with mild soap and water. Whether or not you can use disinfecting wipes or isopropyl alcohol is going to vary. LifeProof and OtterBox, for example, mention the use of disinfecting wipes as being absolutely acceptable for their products. No issue in wiping down your OtterBox Symmetry case, for example, with a Clorox disinfecting wipe. However, they don't mention what to do with their leather Strata cases. Maybe it hasn't occurred to them. I'm not really sure. I think that leather cases and cloth cases are potentially problematic. Not really sure how to clean those. I think that most cases should be able to be washed with soap and water in the same way that you can get your hands disinfected. So I think that that should work well. But honestly, you really do need to reach out to your individual case manufacturer and get guidance on how to best clean them because it's possible to damage a case. Spec, for example, has a section on their website where they talk about cleaning cases with isopropyl alcohol. However, they do mention a number of cases of theirs which should never be cleaned with isopropyl alcohol because it can damage them. They list a number of clear cases and some candy shell cases. So I think that your guidance is going to vary case by case. What about screen protectors? Is it safe to clean them? Well, on that one, you might want to reach out to the individual manufacturers again. Now, if you were looking at a tempered glass screen protector, like the one that I have on here, the OtterBox Amplify Edge to Edge, I think you're going to be okay because it's very similar in composition to the phone's actual screen. Plastic screen protectors, on the other hand, I really don't know about. And it's possible that it could cause a problem with a tempered glass screen protector to be cleaning it, but I will say that I have been doing it on my own phone and I haven't noticed any problems, both with an edge-to-edge model or with one that is case compatible, such as what I have here on my iPhone 11. Both of them seem to survive their disinfection process just fine. Is it going to mess up your oleophobic coating over time? Maybe. That's the reason that Apple has always given for not using alcohol wipes on their phones. However, if I have to weigh the danger of coronavirus infection against the danger of damage to the oleophobic coating of my screen protector, I think I'm going to side on the coronavirus side every time. Finally, can I use any brand of disinfecting wipes to clean my phone? Does it have to be Clorox, or can I use Lysol or some off-brand, etc.? Well, interestingly, Apple on their website very specifically mentions Clorox Disinfecting Wipes. They don't mention any other brand, and they don't say you can use anything else. So to be on the safe side, I would definitely only use Clorox Disinfecting Wipes to clean your phone, or go the isopropyl alcohol wipe route. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this quick tutorial on Apple's new iPhone cleaning guidelines. I hope you found the information to be helpful. Please be sure to follow the cleaning steps carefully. It is possible to damage your iPhone if cleaning is done incorrectly. I'm not an iPhone disinfection expert. Any cleaning is done at your own risk. However, I do think it's a good thing to make sure your iPhone stays as sanitary as possible, particularly in these difficult times. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and want to see more iPhone accessory related content, please hit that subscribe button. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks again for watching and stay safe.